ॐ मायाकल्पितमातृतामुखमृषा द्वैतप्रपञ्चाश्रयः सत्यज्ञानसुखात्मकश्रुतिशिखोत्थाखण्डधीगोचरः मिथ्याबन्धविधूननेन परमानन्दैकतानात्मकम् मोक्षं प्राप्त इव स्वयं विजयते विष्णुर्विकल्पोज्झितः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। We were seeing the Anukula Tarka Vichara, which is Purvapakshi's argument that why can't this Jagat be Satyam? Even though it is Drishya, we say Drishyatvat Mithya. He says it can be Drishya and it can be Satyam. So in that, one point that we saw, that Shuddha Chaitanya, its abhivyakti is there even before Charama Sakshatkara. What is Charama Sakshatkara? So Brahmakar Vritti continues as soon as a person has done proper Shravanam and Mananam. Like how we study in Prakarana Granthas also, Manobuddhi Ahankara Chittaninaham Chidananda Rupa Shivoham Shivoham. So Aham Brahma with Bhagatyaga, this understanding starts coming. But this is not enough because Viparita Bhavana is very strong. Dehatma Bhava is very strong. And therefore, until the last so-called Brahmakar Vritti comes, which will remove avidya, that is called Charama Sakshatkara. Until then, this Brahmakara Vritti, its presence is required. And it will come and go because person is also having Satyatva Buddhi in the world. But at that time also, Shuddha Chaitanya Abhivyakti is there. Because that Shuddha Chaitanya is the Adhishthanam of all Prapancha. Ghata is also Adhyastha in Brahma. Pata is also Adhyastha in Brahma. Everything is Adhyastham in Brahma only. So that point we saw, I just wanted to clarify. But only when that Charama Sakshatkar Vritti takes place, then Mula Jnana Nivritti will take place. Or when Mula Jnana Nivritti takes place, that is called Charama Sakshatkar. Until then, Tula Jnana Nivritti has taken place, but Jagati Satyatva Buddhi and Anatmani Atma Buddhi has not gone. So that continues. Then Purvapakshi had raised a question on 312 that if Tattvika Sambandha is not there, why are you thinking that there is Adhyasika Sambandha? There could be some other Sambandha different from Sanyoga Sambandha and Samavaya Sambandha. Some Tritiya Sambandhasya Sambhavat. Third Sambandha is possible. And you cannot say there is no Pramanam. There could be Anumana Pramana and Pratyaksha Pramana, just like for Samavaya. This is what Purvapakshi said. Now Purvapakshi gives some Anumanam. You all know where we are now, right?
Yes, Swamiji.
Second last line on 312. Tathahi. So this is Purvapaksha. Paraspara asanyukta asamaveta visheshana visheshyaka vishishta dhir visheshana vishesha samvala sambalandha vishaya. Sambandha vishaya. Samvala la is not needed. Sambandha vishaya. Vishishta dhitvat. Dandi iti vishishta dhivat. Up to this is first anumana. Sambandha Vishaya. It is Sambandha Vishaya only, nothing else. So what is the Paksha in this? Paraspara asajukta asamaveta visheshana visheshyaka vishishtadhihi. Up to this is Paksha. Visheshana vishesha sambandha vishaya. Actually make a correction. Instead of vishesha, it is visheshya. Visheshana visheshya sambandha vishaya. This is Sadhya. Vishishtadhitvad, this is Hetu. So what is the Vyapti?
यत्र यत्र विशिष्टधीत्वात् तत्र तत्र विशेषण विशेष्य संबंध विषयत्वम्.
Yatra yatra vishishtadhitvad.
धीत्वम्.
Yatra yatra vishishtadhitvam. Tatra tatra visheshana visheshya sambandha vishayatvam. So where there is vishishtadhi means vishishta buddhi. Like in Dandi, that is the Drishtanta. Danditva. Dandi iti vishishtadhi. So Dandi Jnanam is Vishishta Jnanam. Danda Vishishta Purusha. And it has a Visheshana and Visheshya. Vishishta, Visheshana, Visheshya, Sambandha, Vishaya, Buddhi. So Drishtanta has Hetu, Drishtanta has Sadhya. What is the Paksha? Paraspara Asanyukta means it is not Sanyoga Sambandha. Asamaveta means it is not Samvaya Sambandha. Two things which are not associated with Sanyoga Sambandha or Samavaya Sambandha. Asanyukta, Asamaveta, Visheshana, Visheshyaka, Vishishtadhi. So neither Sanyoga nor Samvaya, but some Visheshana, Visheshyaka Dhi. Purvapakshi wants to prove that there could be another Sambandha other than Sanyoga, another than Samvaya, and it is not Adhyasa. It is not Adhyasika Sambandha. So Vishishtadhi is there, it will have Vishishtadhitvam. So Hetu will be there. According to Purvapakshi, Sadhya will be there. another anumanam he gives. Ukta ajanya prama. If you see, exactly this is matching, this Purvapaksha in Advaita Siddhi is matching Nyayamrita Purvapaksha. Just above on the same page. So Nyayamrita Kara, whatever Purvapakshas he has raised, all are discussed by Acharya Madhusudan Saraswati ji. Ukta janya prama विशेषण विशेष्य संबंध निमित्तिका अबाधित जन्य विशिष्ट धीत्वात् सम्मतवत्. उक्ता जन्य प्रमा. So this prama, janya prama, ukta, whatever is said, visheshana visheshya sambandha nimittika. This prama has a nimitta of visheshana visheshya sambandha. This prama earlier we saw in the last session. What is the distinguishing factor between prama and brahma? In the last session, if you remember, Purvapakshi said doshajanyatvam is the criteria for prama. Where was it said? On 312, third line. Siddhanti said doshajanyatvam na pramatva prayojakam. Dosha ajanyatvam is not pramatva prayojakam. Why? Because Chaitanya is always dosha ajanya. And when we say jnanam, means Chaitanyam being always dosha ajanyam, it is not product of any dosha. Avidya, it is not. And therefore, all jnanam will become prama. So Siddhanti said, it is the antakarana vritti which should be dosha ajanya. Dosha ajanya vritti avacchinnatvam is pramatva prayojakam. So if vritti has dosha, it will be Brahma. This was said. Now you see what he says. Ukta janya prama. So this is the janya prama context. Dosha ajanya vritti avachinna chaitanya. This is the janya prama. Sadhya is visheshana visheshya sambandha nimittika. This prama, visheshana, some visheshana visheshya sambandha nimitta is there in this prama. Abadhita janya vishishta dhitvat. Because this jnanam, since it is prama, there is abadhita janya vishishta jnanam. Abadhita janya vishishta dhitvat sammatavat. Sammatavat means any such thing where both pakshas have agreed. So in Hindi Tika they have given drishtanta. Abhavavat bhutalam. They have given abhavat. Actually it is abhavavat bhutalam. इत्यादि परस्पर असंयुक्त असमवेत विशेषण विशेष्य से घटित जन्य प्रमा. So it is असंयुक्त असमवेत and विशेषण विशेष्य घटित जन्य प्रमा. विशेषण और विशेष्य के संबंध से उत्पन्न होती है. It arises from the संबंध of विशेषण and विशेष्य. Why? Because it is abadhita janya vishishta jnanam, like ubhaya sammata jnanam. Ubhaya sammata vishishta prama like dandi purusha. And it is abadhita. So if somebody sees Nilo Sarpaha in Rajju, a black snake, black cobra, let us say. So it is not abadhita. So in the first one, he gave only Vishishtati. In second one, he says abadhita janya Vishishtati tvat. Drishtanta is same, but in Hetu, he gives abadhita Vishishtati in the second one. Abhadita Vishishta Janyatitvat, Sammatavad. It is Janya Jnana. This is the second Anumana. Third one. Vimatadhi Abhadita Visheshana Vishesha Sambandha Vishaya Abhadita Janya Vishishta Dhitvat Dandi Iti Vishishta Dhivat Abhadita Visheshana Vishesha Sambandha Vishaya Vimatadhi. Vimatadhi means this Vivadaspada Jnanam. Abhadhita Visheshana Vishesha Sambandha Vishaya, where Visheshana Vishesha Sambandha Abhadhita Sambandha Vishaya, Abhadhita Janya Vishishta Dhitvat. It is Abhadhita, it is Janya, and it is Vishishta Jnana. Like Dandi iti Vishishta Dhivat. So Purvapakshi gave this Anumanam to prove that there is another Sambandha Jnanam called Visheshana Vishesha Jnanam, some Vishishta Sambandha is there. And it is different from Sanyoga Sambandha, it is different from Samvaya Sambandha. And it is Abhadita. It is possible, this is what he is trying to prove. Somebody, some Ekadeshi may say, Gomanscha, Gomans Chaitra. Chaitraha Goman. Goman means he has Gau. Gomans Chaitra. Ityadi buddhehe api. Paksha kukshi nikshepa eva iti na tatra vyabhichara shanka. Somebody says Gomans Chaitra. So there is some vyabhichara shanka. What is vyabhichara? Sadhya bhavavat vrittitvam. So hetu is there, sadhya is not there. So let us take first Anumanam. In first Anumanam, hetu is Vishishtadhi and sadhya is Visheshana Vishesha Sambandha Vishayatvam. So Vishishtadhitvam is there in Gomans Chaitra. Visheshana Vishishta Buddhi is there. That Chaitra has Gau. But Purvapakshi says it is not Visheshana Vishesha Sambandha Vishaya Buddhi. In other words, it is not like there is a Visheshana and Chaitra is Visheshya. So, in this, you cannot say it is Visheshana Vishesha Sambandha Vishayatvam is not there. Why? Because with Gau and Chaitra, there is no Sanyoga Sambandha, there is no Samvaya Sambandha. Danda and Purusha Sanyoga is there. Gau and Chaitra, there is no Sanyoga. And definitely Gau and Chaitra, there is no Samvaya. So, Purvapakshi says, you cannot, that is not explained here in this Tika. So, if you want to separately note, you can note it. So, there is no Vyabhichara Shanka. Vyabhichara Shanka is not there because if there is no Sanyoga Sambandha, there is no Samvaya Sambandha, it is like Paksha. So that's why it is said, Paksha Kukshi Nikshepa eva. It is kept in the stomach of Paksha. Paksha Kukshi Nikshepa means it stands in the Paksha category, and therefore you cannot show that as Vyabhichara. It is neither proved as, it is not proved as Vipaksha. It is Sandigdha Sadhyavan. Is this point clear to everybody?
Yes, Swamiji.
Swamiji, can Swamiji elaborate why it goes in Paksha?
Anything, if Purvapakshi or anybody will argue that this has Vyabhichara, for take the Dhuma Vanni Drashtanta. We say in Mahanasa there is Vanni because I see Dhuma. Dhuma Vanni Vyapti I get. Okay. Then I do Anumanam. Parvato Vanniman. Dhumat. So somebody says, but that other Parvata or that other Yajnashala, somewhere Yajnashala is there, Dhuma is coming. You can see only Dhuma. You see, here this Vyapti is not there. Therefore, here there is Vyabhichara. Here Dhuma is there, but Vanni is not there. So what will you say?
That Sadhya Bhava is not confirmed there.
So this is also belonging to Paksha only. Just like in Parvata, you see Dhuma and you don't know Vanni, but you are going to prove it. Like that here also, Dhuma you are able to see, Vanni you don't know. So wherever Dhuma is known and Vanni is not known, and we are going to use Anumanam, all those places will belong to Paksha only. Whether it is Parvata or Yajnashala or any other place. They all are Paksha Kukshi Nikshipta. So you cannot show Vyabhichar there, that here Hetu is there but Sadhya is not there. So we have not proved. Clear now?
Thank you, Swamiji.
Tathacha. Sanyoga Samvaya Atirikta Sambandha Siddhi. Therefore, Purvapakshi says, Sanyoga Samvaya Atirikta Sambandha Siddhi is done. There is another Sambandha, Vishishta Sambandha, other than Sanyoga and Samvaya. And it is not Adhyasika Sambandha. It is not Adhyasa. Because Siddhanti is trying to prove, if it is Adhyasika Sambandha, therefore Drishya will be Mithya. Purvapakshi says, I will not let you prove Adhyasika Sambandha. Now Siddhanti begins. Iti chet na. Prathame dvitiye cha arthantaram. 3 anumanams were given. Siddhanti says in first and second anumanam there is arthantara. Arthantara means you are trying to prove something, you end up proving something else. It's called arthantara dosha. What is that? Adhyasika sambandhasyaiva vishayatvena nimittatvena cha upapattehe. Purvapakshi wanted to prove it is not Adhyasika Sambandha. Siddhanti says you are actually proving Adhyasika Sambandha only in the first 2 anumanam. Adhyasika Sambandhasya eva Vishayatvena Nimittatvena cha upapattehe. Adhyasika Sambandha will become the Vishaya and nimitta also through first two anumanam. Then dvitiye parokshadhishu vyabhicharasya, and in the second anumanam vyabhichara also is there. So in the first one, adhyasika sambandha vishayatvena upapatti. Second anumanam, adhyasika sambandha nimittattvena upapatti. So the sadhya in the first one was visheshana visheshya sambandha vishayatvam. This visheshana visheshya sambandha vishayatvam, in that sambandha between visheshana and visheshya is adhyasa according to Siddhanti. Why? He will explain. And in the second one, in Paroksha Jnanam, there will be Vyabhichara. Second one was Uktajanya Prama, Visheshana Vishesha Sambandha Nimittika, that Nimitta. Earlier one was Visheshana Vishesha Sambandha Vishaya. So that Sambandha becomes known as Adhyasa, which is Vishishta Buddhi Vishaya. And second one, Vishishta Buddhi Nimitta. Paroksha Jnanam will have Vyabhichara. How? Paroksha Jnana Vishaya is not Janaka or Nimitta of Jnanam. Paroksha Jnana Vishaya is not Janaka or Nimitta of Jnanam. In other words, actually it is not there at that time, and still you can get Jnana. To give you an example, let us say right now, I get the knowledge of Yudhishthira. Yudhishthira is Pratyaksha or Paroksha?
Paroksha.
So even in the absence of Vishaya, Yudhishthira, who is not there now, but Jnanam takes place. So that Paroksha Jnana Vishaya is not present. And yet Shabda has produced Jnanam. That is why it is not Janaka or Nimitta. And therefore there is Vyabhichara. Because in that case, Hetu will be there, Sadhya will not be there. Vishishta Dhi will be there. Abhadhita Vishishta Dhitva. Abhadhita Janya Vishishta Dhitva will be there. But that Visheshana Vishesha Sambandha Nimittatvam will not be there, because that Visheshana and Visheshya, that Visheshya is absent there. So wherever in the Sadhya Bhava Adhikarana, Hetu, if it is there, then it is Vyabhichara. In the Tritiya Anumanam, Tritiya api Brahma Jnana Paryanta Abhadhitatvena Siddha Sadhanam eva. If the Anumanam is Abhadhita Visheshana Vishesha Sambandha Vishayatvam, this is the Sadhya, and Abhadhita Janya Vishishta Dhitvat, this is Hetu. Siddhanti says, Abhadhita up to what point? If you say Abhadhita until Brahma Jnanam, if we agree, is Siddha Sadhanam. Adhyasika Sambandha also until Brahma Jnanam is Abhadhita. Until Brahma Jnanam takes place, that Sambandha is Abhadhita. So that is Siddha Sadhanam. Tritiyapi Brahma Jnana Paryanta Abhadhitatvena Siddha Sadhanam eva. And if somebody says, no, not up to Brahma Jnanam, eternally Abhadhita. Sarvatha Abhadhita Dhi Vishayatvam. Means it never gets badhita, never gets contradicted. Sarvatha abhadita divishayatve sadhye. Then what is the dosha? Sadhya vaikalyam. What is sadhya vaikalyam?
In Drishtanta, Sadhya is not there.
In Drishtanta, sadhya is absent. So Drishtanta is dandi purusha, dandi dhi, dandi jnanam. In that dandi jnanam, sadhya, sarvatha abhadita dhi vishayatvam is not there. Dandi jnanam is not sarvatha abhadita. It gets badhita after Brahma jnana. So sadhya vaikalyam. And otherwise, siddha sadhanam. So all are clear. Nacha तात्विक संबंध बाधे आध्यात्मिक संबंध सिद्धि तथा च संयोग समवाय अतिरिक्त तात्विक संबंध बाध पर्यंतम न आध्यात्मिक संबंध संभावना तथा च कथम अर्थांतर सिद्ध साधन साध्य वैकल्यानि इति वाच्यम न च वाच्यम. Siddhanti is saying this much. Inside is all Purvapaksha. Purvapaksha says, you have shown Arthantar dosha, Siddha sadhanam, Sadhya vaikalyam, all of them. How they are there? Why not? So he says, Tatvika sambandha badhe, Adhyasika sambandha siddhi. If Tatvika sambandha badha you prove, then Adhyasika sambandha is possible. तथा च संयोग समवाय अतिरिक्त तात्विक संबंध बाध पर्यंतम न आध्यात्मिक संबंध संभावना. पूर्व पक्षी says there is a sambandha different from संयोग संबंध, different from समवाय संबंध. संयोग समवाय अतिरिक्त, this sambandha only when it gets negated, then you say this is adhyasika sambandha. Until it gets negated, तात्विक संबंध बाध पर्यंतम, until then आध्यात्मिक संबंध संभावना is not there. So then how all these doshas you are showing? Purvapakshi is saying. Siddhanti says, iti na cha vachyam. There is nothing wrong in our argument. तात्विक संबंधस्य व्यापक अनुपलब्ध्या बाधात्. व्यापक अनुपलब्धि. So तात्विक संबंध बाध will take place when vyapaka is not there. What is this vyapaka? So he gives in the next line. तथा ही तात्विक संबंधस्य व्यापको देश काल विप्रकर्ष अभावः. तात्विक संबंध, its व्यापक is देश काल विप्रकर्ष अभावः. यत्र यत्र तात्विक संबंधः तत्र तत्र देश काल विप्रकर्ष अभावः. देश काल विप्रकर्ष. विप्रकर्ष means separation. Its abhava means absence of separation. Separation in desha, separation in kala. How? So example. There are some objects, they have desha viprakarsha. I mean they are separated in space. Like Himachala and Vindhyachala. So there is no Tattvika Sambandha between, there is no Sanyoga Sambandha between Himalaya and Vindhyachala. There is no Samavaya Sambandha. So if some Sambandha Kalpana you do, it will be Adhyasa. So there is a Daishika Viprakarsha between them. If Daishika Viprakarsha Abhava was there, then there was Tattvika Sambandha. This portion is clear up to this.
Yes, Swamiji.
Another example is Kala Viprakarsha. Kala Viprakarsha means Devadatta, who is not born yet, and Danda, which is already Nashta. Nashta Danda and unborn Devadatta. So between them there is Kala Viprakarsha. One comes at different time, goes, then another comes later. Where is Sambandha? So if you create a Sambandha, it will be Adhyasa. This is Kalika Viprakarsha. सच अतीतादि विषयक ज्ञानादीनां नास्ति एव. Atitadi Vishayaka Jnana. In them, this is not there. Nasti eva. Tattvika Sambandha is not there between them. So, yatra yatra Tattvika Sambandha, tatra tatra Deshakala Viprakarsha Abhava. This has to be there. If it is not there, Katham Tattvika Stesham Sambandha, then how they can have Tattvika Sambandha, Siddhanti is saying. That means they will have only Adhyasika Sambandha. Purvapakshi, he will give his example in Nyaya. Let us see. In Hindi, they have given some example in Shanka on 314c. Desha Kala Viprakarsha Abhava means in one Desha and in one Kala, they have to exist. That is called Viprakarsha Abhava. So, Ghatau Sanyuktau. So here, Sanyoga Sambandhi, Ghata, their Desha and Kala. If two Ghatas are kept near each other, they are in the same Desha, same Kala. But if in Samvaya Sambandha, they are not in Ekadesha. For example, let us say between Ghata and Ghata Rupa, what is the Sambandha?
Samavaya Sambandha.
Between Ghata and Ghata Rupa, there is Samavaya Sambandha. Ghata exists in Kapala. Ghata Rupa exists in Ghata. Ghata Rupa is existing in Ghata. Ghata is existing in Kapala. They are in different desha. Then, how you can say there is desha kala viprakarsha abhava? That Samvaya Sambandha is actually adhyasa. And if that Ghata Rupa is Nila and Vartaman Ghata, its Rupa is Rakta. So then, Purva Sambandha and Vartaman Sambandhi. So, Purva Sambandhi and Vartaman Sambandhi. Purva Sambandhi was Nila Rupa, which is not there now. Instead, now Ghata is there and Rakta Rupa is there. So, Kalika Viprakarsha is there. But that they say the Nila Rupa was there with Samvaya Sambandha, with the Ghata. This is Purvapaksha. So according to them, this is possible. They have accepted it. So according to Purvapakshi's argument, Desha Kala Viprakarsha Abhava is not the criteria for Tattvika Sambandha. Because, for example, this Rupa is in Ghata and Ghata is in Kapala. So Desha is Bhinna. Still they consider it as Samvaya Sambandha, not Adhyasa. And like that, this Rakto Ghataha or Nilo Ghataha, earlier, now it is Rakta Ghataha. The Nilatvam was there with Ghata in Samvaya Sambandha. Even though Ghata is there now, Nilatva is gone. Because the pot has been baked, it has become red. So they don't call this as adhyasa, that the blackness of pot was adhyasa. They say, no, it is sambandha. So even if there is viprakarsha in desha or kala, they don't consider it as adhyasa. So Siddhanti's argument that for Tattvika Sambandha, Desha Kala Viprakarsha Abhava should be there is not necessary. See the sentence. सच अतीतादि विषयक ज्ञानादीनां नास्ति एव कथम तात्विकस्तेषां संबंधः अतीतादि विषयक ज्ञानादीनां अतीत विषयक और अनागत विषयक ज्ञानम in them desha kala viprakarsha abhava is not there. Then how will you say it is tattvika sambandha? Because the definition lakshana that you have created for tattvika sambandha is desha kala viprakarsha abhava, but it is not there. Nacha samavayavat sambandhi abhava viprakarshadi aviruddhatvena tat siddhi. And Purvapakshi says, like samvaya, such things are there, we accept there is samvaya sambandha, even though there is desha viprakarsha or kala viprakarsha. We consider samvaya as tattvika. Its siddhi is there. Like that, this third sambandha, its tattvikatta siddhi will be there. Iti Siddhanti says, nacha vachyam. समवायस्यापि देशकाल विप्रकृष्टयोः संबद्ध व्यवहार अप्रयोजकत्वात्. Samvaya also, what do you think, if it is having deshakala viprakrishtatvam, deshakala viprakrishtayoho sambandha vyavahara aprayojakatvam. This is Siddhanti's answer. How? संबंध व्यवहार अप्रयोजकत्वात्. समवायस्यापि देशकाल विप्रकृष्टयोः संबद्ध व्यवहार अप्रयोजकत्वात्. संबंध means संबद्ध व्यवहार प्रयोजक पदार्थ. Sambandha between two is the one which connects the two things, ghata pata. That's sambandha. So if the ghata rupa, nilo ghata, that nila rupa and vartamana ghata, rakto ghata. So ghatatva is now, nilatva was past. Nilatva is destroyed, ghatatva is there. Vartamana ghatatva, nashta nilatva. So that nilatvam was samavetam in ghata. Siddhanti says that samaveta of the past is not acceptable. What is vartamana? Raktatva and ghata. That vyavahar is there. And in that, deshakala viprakrishta jnanam is not there. Then only it is accepted as tattvika sambandha. But according to Siddhanta, with Brahma Jnanam, it will be Bhadita. So that is always going to be the case. So as long as it is Deshkal Viprakrishta Jnanam and Deshkal Viprakrishta Jnaya, it will not be Tatvika Sambandha. In Tika, you see, in the Mulam, Nahi Sambandhi Abhave Api San Samavayo Adya Vinashtam Ghatam Swastanena Rupena Vishnashti. Adya Samavaya. Samavaya is now. Vinashtam Ghatam. Ghata which is Nashta. And Shwastanena Rupena. Rupa which is going to be there tomorrow. That Samavaya Sambandha between Nashta Ghata and future Rupa is not possible. Sambandhi, if it is not there, that Samvaya Sambandha will not be there. Nacha adhyasikatve sambandhasya sadhye dharmigrahaka mana badha विशिष्ट बुद्धित्वेन प्रथमं तात्विक अतात्विक साधारण संबंधस्येव सिद्धेः. Dharmi grahak mana. Somebody says, first you have to prove sambandha. Then you have to prove whether it is tatvika or atatvika. Like first you say there is sarpa. Then you have to prove if it is tatvika or atatvika. Is it real or unreal? So Purva Pakshi is trying to put this way. If you prove that there is sambandha, how will you prove? With some pramana. If you use pramana, it will be tatvika only. Then you will not be able to negate it. And he says, until you prove that a sambandha is there, you cannot say it is adhyasika. So dharmi, there is something called dharmi. In that there will be dharma called adhyasikatvam. Sambandha is dharmi. Sambandha is adhyasika. That is dharma. Sambandha is dharmi. Adhyasikatva is dharma. He says first you have to prove dharmi. Siddhanti says no. Tatvika, atatvika, sadharana sambandha siddhi we will do. We are not going to say if there is sambandha, it is prama only. Something is there. Whether it is real or unreal, that we have to discuss. Vishishta buddhitvena prathamam tatvika, atatvika, sadharana sambandhasyeva siddhihi. Siddhehe. Siddhatvat. Panchami. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Krito Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi.